welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, make it a point to subscribe. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a face pack and a facial scrub that you can make from home with only 2 ingredients. And I think without any further ado, let's get into the video. Honey is going to act as our moisturizer, and also you need your coffee, and coffee is going to act as our exfoliator for our skin, and it has inflammatory in it, and it also acts as an antioxidant. It has some antioxidant properties in it. So let me show you how you can mix this and you use it as a scrub, a facial scrub at home. So the first thing that you need to have your bowl, non-metallic bowl, and also a spoon. So get 1 tablespoon of your powdered coffee. Then you also get 1 tablespoon of your raw honey. Actually, this is raw honey. It's not mixed with anything. This is original, made. So we need 1 tablespoon of honey. This is how cute it looks. I feel like eating it right now. So mix it very well to make a smooth paste. Coffee is going to help us exfoliate our skin, and honey will act as our moisturizer for a beautiful skin. After mixing it very well, step is we are going now to start applying it on our face. So I'm going to use my fingers and scrubbing your face in a circular motion. Don't use a lot of force, be gentle on your skin. If you're at home, you can also scrub your neck using these same ingredients, and you leave it for 20 minutes. Then after, you can wash it off. This will help you to have a clear face, skin, and with honey you will have a glowy face. You can do this regularly, or like if you have time, you can do it 2 times a week. You scrub your face in a circular motion, and you can scrub your face like for 5 minutes. Then you let it sit onto your skin for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you wash it off, and if you have aloe vera gel, you can feel free to apply it, or you can even apply any moisturizer that you have. So I'll come back after 20 minutes and you can just see. You may think that even I've smeared some oil on my skin. Let's dry it, pan to dry. Washing our face The next thing to do is to moisturize, and I'm using aloe vera gel. If you have any other cream, you can use that. Aloe vera gel just helps you to also clear your face. It treats pimples, acne, stretch marks, anti-aging. So this is our skin today. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time.